Materials you will need to complete this activity: 1 to 2 packages of cloth plaster, 4 cups of water, a bottle of glue, newspaper, 1 balloon, 2 small Google eyes, 1 hot glue gun with 2 sticks of hot glue, 5 to 10 craft feathers, paint brushes, a small bowl and a medium bowl, cardboard, and scissors. Hey you guys, today I'm going to teach you all how to make a plaster animal, and this one's specifically going to be a small bird, but you can make any animal from elephants to little puppies, whatever you like. First you want to start off with a small balloon and blow it up to about the size of an apple. After you've tied up your balloon, you want to cut out about 15 strips of newspaper from about 6 to 12 inches long, which I've already cut out a few pieces here, so that's already done. And you want to make a mixture of about half a cup of glue and half a cup of water, and dip each newspaper strip in the mixture. And apply it to the balloon. And that should do it. One layer is good enough, but you can always add another layer of newspaper for more stability if you'd like. While that's drying, you're going to want to cut a few pieces of plaster, and you want to let that dry for about 20 to 25 minutes or so, and you just want to cut it into strips. 6-inch strips will do. After the newspaper on your balloon has dried, you want to prepare a medium-sized bowl filled with warm water. Warm water usually helps the plaster stick better. And you're just going to dip the plaster in there and start covering the balloon with it. This can get pretty messy, so I would recommend to have a sheet, maybe as you can see, I laid out a newspaper. After the plaster on your balloon has completely dried, which shouldn't take long and it'll sound hollow, pretty hollow inside, you're going to want to start painting it. And any color paint will do. I'm just going to use blue for now. And you don't have to use one color, you can use multiple colors, whatever you prefer. You can cut a 5x5 piece of cardboard and attach the balloon onto it just so it can be stable as you begin to decorate it. If you'd like, you can also paint the base. After the paint has completely dried on the base and on your balloon, you can begin to decorate the bird. I'm going to start off by adding the eyes, which you also need to use a hot glue gun for. And a tiny drop will do. For the beak of the bird, you're going to want to cut a small triangle, and then you're going to fold it along the center of the triangle, like so. And you're just going to attach that to the front of the bird. Also, you can always use regular white glue or Elmer's glue for this. It'll just take longer to dry. And then you can paint the beak orange, yellow, whatever color you'd like. For the bottom half of the beak, you're going to want to cut a triangle just as small as the top half and fold it along the center just as you did for the first beak. And you're just going to attach that opposite of the top beak. And there you go. That's how you make a plaster bird. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and good luck. Dancing bird.